If your kidneys are struggling, eating like you always did won't work. Certain everyday foods can quietly push potassium, phosphorus, sodium, oxalates to high end that can keep your kidneys from healing. Today you'll learn the 22 foods to limit or avoid, plus easy swaps so you can still enjoy delicious meals without the extra kidney stress. Why limits matter healthy. Kidneys balance minerals and fluids. When kidneys are impaired, excess potassium, phosphorus, sodium, and oxalates can build up. That may raise blood pressure, strain the heart and blood vessels, or increase stone risk. The fix isn't a crash detox. It's smart daily choices, steady hydration, and a balanced plate. The 22 foods that can stall healing and what to do instead. Potassium. Fruits, be cautious if you're on a K+ restriction. Avocado, why limit? Very high in potassium and calorie dense. Smarter swap. Use thin avocado slices 1/4 fruit or try mashed white beans with lemon as a creamy spread. Choose berries, apples, grapes, pears more often. Banana, why limit? A single medium banana can be a big chunk of your daily potassium limit. Smarter swap. Half banana in a smoothie, plus bulk with berries and ice. Or pick apples, grapes, pineapple, watermelon, apricots, especially dried. Plus peaches and plums, why limit? Potassium adds up quickly. Dried forms are very concentrated. Smarter swap. Fresh, small portions or choose berries, apples, pears, cherries, grapes, oranges, and orange juice, why limit? Potassium adds up fast with juice refills. Smarter swap. Half orange with a meal. Or switch to apple, grape, or cranberry cocktail, low sugar and water. Dried fruits, raisins, prunes, dates. Why limit concentrated potassium and sugar? Very easy to overeat. Smarter swap. Fresh fruit portions. If using dried, measure 1 to 2 TBSP and pair with yogurt alternative. Spinach, why limit? Very high in oxalates and also potassium raw. Smarter swap. Kale, cabbage, lettuce, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini. If you include spinach, keep portions small and rotate greens. Potatoes and sweet potatoes, why limit? Potassium is high. Plus fries, chips, add sodium. Smarter swap. Leach, peel, cube, soak in warm water 2+ hours, rinse. Then boil, roast, and keep portions modest. Try butternut squash, carrots, parsnips, or cauliflower mash. Tomatoes and tomato sauces, why? Limit potassium is moderate to high. Sauces, concentrate it. Smarter swap. Use small portions. Choose no salt added sauces, or switch to roasted red pepper or herb garlic sauces. Pickles, relish. Kimchi, why limit? Very high sodium. Smarter swap. Quick pickle at home with less salt or brighten with lemon, vinegar. Fresh herbs. Drinks that drain kidney, gold sodas, regular and diet, why limit? Added sugars or artificial sweeteners. Some contain phosphate additives. Poor hydration value. Smarter swap. Water first. Sparkling water, unsweetened iced tea. Or diluted 100% juice. Small, alcohol, excess, why limit? Dehydrates, raises blood pressure. Can worsen kidney and liver strain. Smarter swap. If allowed by your provider, light, moderate only with food. And hydrate between drinks. Healthy. Snacks that can backfire, men's, and some nuts and nut butters. Why limit? Higher oxalates, almonds, plus potassium and phosphorus. Smarter swap. Measured portions, 1 small handful. Mix with lower oxalate seeds, pumpkin, flax. Or choose rice cakes with olive oil spread. Check with your dietitian. Cocoa, chocolate powders, syrups, bars, why limit? Can be high in oxalates and phosphorus. Many products add sugar, sodium. Smarter swap. Carob powder for baking drinks. Choose small portions of dark chocolate less often. Staples that need strategy, rice, especially frequent servings. Why limit can contain inorganic arsenic. Risk rises with large, frequent portions. Smarter swap, rotate grains. Quinoa, couscous, buckwheat, millet, farro, sorghum. Rinse rice well. Cook in excess water and drain butter, especially salted. Why limit? Saturated fat and sodium if salted. Smarter swap, olive or avocado oil for cooking. Unsalted butter in small amounts if allowed. Pretzels. Crackers, savory snacks. Why limit? Often high sodium. Low nutrient density. Smarter swap, low sodium crackers, unsalted popcorn. Veggie sticks with herb yogurt alternative. Canned and some frozen foods with added salt. Why limit sodium from preservation? Smarter swap, no salted or low sodium versions. Drain and rinse canned beans, veg. Choose plain frozen produce and season yourself. Processed meats, hot dogs. Deli meats, sausage, jerky, pepperoni. Why limit? High sodium, often phosphate additives. Smarter swap. Fresh poultry, fish, you season yourself. Roast a low-sodium turkey breast for sandwiches. Legumes, beans. Lentils for people on strict K+P limits. Why? Limit can be higher in potassium and phosphorus. Smarter swap. If allowed, soak, boil, drain to lower minerals. Keep measured portions. Rotate with tofu tempeh, which may be easier to fit. Dairy milk, cheese, ice cream. Why limit? Phosphorus and potassium add up. Some are high in sodium saturated fat. Smarter swap, smaller portions. Choose lower phosphorus options and no salted cheeses. Consider renal-friendly milk alternatives if advised. Whole grains, brown rice. Bran cereals if phosphorus is restricted. Why limit? The bran layer carries more phosphorus and potassium. Smarter swap if your provider limits phosphorus. Use refined grains more often. White rice, sourdough. White pasta and balance with veggies that fit your plan. Whole wheat bread. Why limit? More phosphorus and potassium than white. Commercial loaves may also add sodium and sugar. Smarter swap, white or sourdough bread. Low sodium options, measured slices, fast. What to eat instead? Cheat sheet fruits, berries. Apples, grapes, pears, cherries, pineapple. Watermelon. Watch fluids if advised. Veggies, kale. Cabbage, lettuce, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots. Zucchini, proteins, fresh fish, poultry, eggs, egg whites. Tofu tempeh, mined sodium in marinades. Grains, starches, white rice, pasta, couscous, quinoa, if allowed. Leached potatoes, cauliflower mash, fats, olive oil, avocado oil, small amounts. Unsalted butter in moderation if approved. Flavor, lemon. Vinegar, garlic, herbs, spices not. More salt. Drinks, water first. Sparkling water. Unsweetened tea, coffee within caffeine limits. Diluted 100% juice. Kidney smart shopping and pre-preed labels for sodium. Faux additives, potassium chloride, and added sugars. Choose no salted and low sodium items whenever possible. Batch cook fresh proteins and freeze portions. No added sodium. Leach high-K veggies, potatoes when advised. Measure portions. Small differences add up. Important. Safety notes. Needs vary. CKD stage, stones versus proteinuria. Diabetes, heart issues, transplant. Medications. Do not crash diet or try extreme cleanses. Support your kidneys with consistent, balanced meals and steady hydration. Work with your renal dietitian to set your personal potassium, phosphorus, sodium, protein, and fluid targets. Conclusion: you don't need a harsh detox to help your kidneys. You need daily smart swaps. Limit the 22 foods that push potassium, phosphorus, sodium, and oxalates too high. And lean on the easy alternatives we shared. Keep your meals simple, tasty, and balanced. If this helped, like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Kidney Smart guides.